Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna jump straight into it. I hit 1 year. I have been locked for 1 whole year. But before we get into this video too much, let me apologize for my appearance. If I look like I've been crying or maybe got like some dry tissue stuff around my face or my eyebrows showing done, it's because we literally just came home from church. And when I tell you, like, church was amazing, especially after service, the way how just the Holy Spirit, like, just his presence, right? Just his glory and just how it fell in there. And when I tell you, we was like laid out. Well, I can't tell my ass. I was laid out. At one point, I was like kneeling on the altar and then like on the stairs. And then eventually I found my way to the chair. And then next thing I know, I'm literally like on the ground, like faces on the ground. Like it was crazy. It like, yeah, no, seriously, like y'all, like it was like crazy. So I probably had like no more tears left to cry. And then afterwards, like it was like a mic toss of like what the Lord was saying. And oh my gosh, it was amazing. But anywho, so that's why I look the way I do. And the only reason why I ain't clean myself up is because I gotta go get my mom after this because yeah, we going out of time. Anyways, so yeah, 1 year of being locked. And honestly, I really don't have like too much to talk about for real. Like I do, but I don't. So you can see I just added like my lock sprinkles on there. Let me go ahead and do a quick like turnaround for you guys and then we can talk. So here we go. And yes, my hair finally moves. It finally shakes. I have been waiting on this moment. But anywho, so let's see. Number one, I started them off with comb coils. Um, that's a whole lie. How am I gonna lie? After I just left the presence of the Lord. I started them off with finger coils. I was bored. I knew I wanted my locks back after came out of that big chop that I did. And I just coiled them. They actually they have been reset a couple times, especially like the ones in the back, because of just how they I didn't care too much for how they looked. Like the bases, they were like too long. They were more like rectangles, they were like too long. And then I knew what how my hair is. I'm really not that dense and I'm not that coarse. I'm like medium dense to medium coarse. And I knew as they grew, if they were like larger, they weren't be as they weren't be they were not going to be is that the same? Weren't I don't know. We're not going to be the same. They weren't going to look like have like that full effect, that full look to them. Now these are a smidge smaller than my other set. Honestly, I feel like I've been losing hair over the years, but that's not lock related. But so they are a little smaller than my other set. I have 82, I want to say. I have 82. And then okay, so even though they're smaller, they seem fuller than my other set because like my hair is shorter. My first set, my hair was longer when I started, and then even just as they went, so they looked a little fuller. But I definitely like this. I wasn't going no smaller than this. At one point I thought about not quite micro, but like small. So like, okay, hopefully you guys can see. I don't know if it's like it might be this row, maybe. I really hope y'all can see this. I think it's like this row when I was like separating some. Like these are like smaller and like those are fine, but I was like, well, nah, like I'll just let them be like the size that they are. Hold on a second. Okay, and so I was like, I'm like, and then who about to do all that? Like, no. So I have interlocked my hair 3 times. The first time I did it was just an experiment to see. It was like the beginning stages. The other 2 times I did it was because I had something going on, and I knew one of them we had to dance at church, and so I didn't want my roots to be all puffy. And at the time, my rope twists they didn't look right. So I was like, well, I'm just going to interlock them so my roots can hold, and I'll be fine. We had our conference going on, and yeah, and I sweat really really hard in my head. And so I was like, okay, I need them to last. And then when I did it, and that was in August. When I did it again, I think it was maybe like September ish. I may have my dates mixed up. I think I did that one like in July, if I'm not mistaken. And I did the next one maybe in September. So like here's the thing. You really you can kind of see if I kind of you can kind of see a little bit For whatever reason, they're not. I think some of them are, but they don't appear as compacted when you do your when you interlock them. They do have more of a compact look, especially when you alternate between the two. They don't like appear that way. Okay, so this is a good size one. Like you can kind of see, but not really. Not oh, that's a nice one, but not really. So, and then there's this one down here that is still like coily, like it's not moving at all. And then this one just got his big back activated. So, and I'm just gonna leave it alone, honestly. Like I'm just gonna let it be. Yeah, I still put a lac sprinkle in there. Still have more lac sprinkles I have to do. But yeah, but anyway, so how often do I retwist? I don't know. I really can't even tell y'all. I don't really have a set schedule. I'll probably would do every like between 4 to 6 weeks. It just depends on what's going on. Now that my hair is getting a little longer, I still can't quite put in a ponytail, but now that it is getting a little longer, I can kind of play with it a little bit more in regards to like how I style it. But I probably won't do too much. These are just like two random beard twists I put in there. Um, yeah, product wise, I use it's this it's super grow gel from Amazon. I'll post a picture in there what I use. I use my own hair oil to if I need to like oil my scalp to the moisture. If I need to shampoo wise, I use my own shampoo. Literally, from my product. We go through this all the time, y'all. From my product line, I use my own. It's a cleanser shampoo, and then I follow up with Design Essentials. Their honey cream shampoo, and then whatever conditioner. I'm sorry, that's the shampoo. I do two shampoos, and then I follow up with the conditioner. Yes, I condition my locks. Not being condition my locks at the beginning of the time. I don't care. I've colored my hair a total of 3 times. So yeah, so okay, or twice. So my hair was previously dyed prior to me actually starting, and then I called myself trying to do like all of color. It didn't work. I decided I wanted to add some little razzmatazz to my sides, like how my first set was. And I bleached these. They had like a gold coppery color. I put all types of colors like on top of them as time went on. Ended up doing the rest of my hair blue black because I didn't care for that weird color that it was happening in the other one. And so yeah, so this is actually blue black and this is a permanent. When it fades off, what am I gonna do? I'm probably just gonna keep putting like the blue black on top of it, but I don't go up to my roots because I got some gray hairs coming in, and I really, really, really want to keep my gray hairs. I do. I love them. I am embracing every minute of them. But if they ain't down here on the ends, we gonna let that be. But anyways, I think that is all. I really do. That was fast because I want to show y'all my pictures and my videos, and my phone be acting funny with my space and all that stuff. And I pay for 2 terabytes, so I don't know what y'all be talking about. I ain't got no space. Apple, y'all better get that together. But I got like a bunch of pictures and videos I'm going to insert after this so you can see my complete journey. Maybe I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like 2 separate videos. I'm still gonna add like a little bit in here, but then I'm gonna do like a separate video. I got like a lot more of hold on that has a lot more of the oh, she wasn't messing around. She did that really fast. A lot more of the videos on there. But anywho, I mean, I think that's all. I'm not sure if there's anything else much more that people would like ask, or just want to know about my hair and about the locks, whatever. Oh, I shampoo my hair when I feel like it. I really do. I shampoo my hair more than I actually would retwist it because my scalp may get either a little irritated, nothing to do with nothing. It's just stress and it just gets like super irritated. And I have to use this T gel shampoo, or if I'm working out a lot, or it's just my scalp and my hair just needs to be clean, I will shampoo my hair. So let's say if I do every 6 weeks to do a retwist, I probably will shampoo my hair like once, maybe twice in between. Just really all depends on what's happening, how I'm feeling. Yeah. So okay, that is all. So yep, here's to 1 year. Yeah, here is to 1 year. I'm so excited. We're gonna run on, see what the end is gonna be, and I will see you guys. We do this every time. I don't know if I'm seeing y'all now, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Till the next time we see each other. Bye.